Ever wonder why peacock spiders love to bust a move? Let's find out. These tiny dancers are no bigger than a grain of rice, but they've got moves that would make a ballroom dancer jealous. Male peacock spiders put on dazzling displays to attract the ladies, showcasing their vibrant colours and unique moves. Think of it as a spider version of Dancing with the Stars. With their vivid blues, reds and yellows, these little guys wave their legs and shake their abdomens in a courtship dance that's truly mesmerising. And get this, if the female spider isn't impressed, she might just eat him. Talk about a high-stakes performance. So next time you see a peacock spider doing its dance, give it a little cheer. After all, it's putting on quite the show.